Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a doorknob with a lock. It's a surprisingly simple home improvement task that anyone can tackle, even if you have minimal DIY experience. We'll go over the basic tools you'll need, how to safely remove your old doorknob, and then guide you through installing the new one. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can update the look and security of your door in just a few easy steps. Before you begin, gather a few essential tools. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver, and of course, your brand new doorknob and lock set. It's also a good idea to have a small cloth or towel handy to protect your door's finish. Always ensure your new doorknob is compatible with your door's existing bore hole and backset measurements for a smooth installation process. This preparation takes just a couple of minutes. To remove the old doorknob, start by locating the 2 or 3 screws on the interior side of the knob's base plate. Use your screwdriver to carefully loosen and remove these screws completely. Once the screws are out, the 2 halves of the doorknob should separate easily. Next, remove the latch plate from the edge of the door by unscrewing its 2 small screws. The old mechanism should then slide right out of the door. Now for the installation. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the hole on the door's edge, securing it with its 2 small screws. Make sure the latch bolt faces the correct direction for your door swing. Then, align the 2 halves of your new doorknob, ensuring the spindle or connecting rod passes through the latch. Secure them together using the long screws provided, tightening them firmly but not excessively. Finally, test the knob and lock several times to ensure smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.